Hello everyone, welcome to Trupti tutorial. I am Trupti. If you want to learn English quickly and easily, this episode just for you. Let's go. Hello everyone, my name is Trupti and today I will share my daily routine with you. You will hear simply English sentence that you can use. Every day I will speak slowly and clearly so you can hear every sound. If you listen carefully and repeat after me, you will remember the words and use them in your own life. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make a cup of coffee. I sit near the window. After coffee, I prepare breakfast. Most morning, I eat eggs, bread and fruit. Breakfast give me energy. If my family is awake, we eat together and talk about the day ahead. I really enjoy these small moments with them. After breakfast, I open my laptop. I check my email. Then I prepare lesson for my students. Sometimes I record videos for our channel. Sometimes I write notes and new ideas for future episodes. In the afternoon, I usually take a short walk outside. Fresh air helps me feel relaxed. I sometimes buy groceries, vegetables, bread, or milk. When I came back, I cook lunch. I like simple meals such as salad, rice or dal. While eating, I often listen to music or read a book in English. It's a good way to practice and enjoy the language. In the evening, I spend time with my family. We eat dinner together. We talk and share stories from the day. Sometimes we watch a movie and sometimes we just sit and chat. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and prepare things for tomorrow. Then I take a little time for myself. I read, study, or sometimes just relax with a cup of tea. At 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, put on pajamas, and write down my plan for the next day. Finally, I turn off the lights and go to sleep. This was my daily routine. I hope you learned useful expression today. Try to use these sentence in your own life. If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow and subscribe to the Trupti Tutorial.